A very good evening to everybody. I'm Vanesri from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris. First of all, thanks to the organization of International Conference on Social Science and Technology for Postgraduate and Research Conference of Kaizen Renovation. Today, I'm going to present my paper of Conceptual Framework entitled of the effect of interactive whiteboard and phonemic segmentation on word recognition among beginning readers. Okay, first of all, before go to conceptual framework, I would like to explain my research background, which is reading among primary school students getting very poor nowadays, and it is confront remarkable difficulties in process of learning and reading. It's according to Kern and Fragment 2008 with a very concrete reason. And third one, reading problem demonstrate different level of meta-linguistic skills, because reading problem is a wide range, and here I'm going to focus on meta-linguistic skill in phonemic segmentation. And the fourth one is the incorporation of interactive whiteboard, and it's about the teacher's perception on the interactive whiteboard. Okay, there are so many integration media, which is like mobile apps and some other integrations. Here I'm going to talk about the interactive whiteboard. And I move on to the problem statement, whereas 25% of children are considered as poor children in worldwide. Okay, it's according to Unshabel 2013. And phonemic awareness skill are getting very lower among beginning readers, because before going to reading, the phonemic segmentation, which is the basic of the reading, are getting very low. It's according to Brown 2014. The third one is word recognition problem among beginning readers is getting rise. This problem getting rise. It's according to Lower and Snowling 2015. And fourth is integration of interactive technology, because there are so many interactive technology like mobile apps, but is it available in classroom in Malaysia? But when it comes to interactive whiteboard, there are availability in classrooms. So I goes for interactive whiteboard, and it's according to John 2016. Okay, yeah, before goes to conceptual framework, I would like to explain my research objective first. First one is to determine the effectiveness of using the interactive whiteboard in teaching the phonemic skill of students' word recognition. Number two is about investigate the difference in the perception of teacher of beginning readers in relation use of phonemic segmentation and the interactive whiteboard in terms of gender and teaching experience. Okay, the third one is to find out teachers' perception towards the use of phonemic segmentation skill in improving word recognition among beginning readers. And fourth one is to identify teachers' perception towards the use of interactive whiteboard in improving word recognition among beginning readers. Okay. We move on to research question. Number one is, what are the difference in the word recognition test score between students who are taught with the phonemic segmentation skill using interactive whiteboard and those who are taught with a different other, which is traditional teaching method? What are the difference in the perception of teachers of beginning readers in relation to the use of phonemic segmentation and the interactive whiteboard in terms of gender and teaching experience? Okay, number three, what are teachers' perception towards the use of phonemic segmentation skill in improving word recognition among beginning readers? Okay, number four is, what are teachers' perception towards the use of the interactive whiteboard in improving word recognition among beginning readers? Okay, now here is conceptual framework. Okay, the whole study is about the reading. The main thing is about reading, and we're gonna know the teacher's perception, which is a playing role as a need analysis for this research. Okay, with the teacher's perception, we goes to the use of phonemic segmentation and the use of interactive whiteboard, and we're going to word recognition test for the beginning readers. Okay, this is the research methodology. It's a quantitative method research. It's an experimental study, and we use cross-sectional questionnaire. And before the main study, I had done my pilot study also, and I did collection of data, and finally for the data of analysis. Okay, I have two groups, which is experimental and control group. Both are ranked pre-test, and the experimental group, they had activities in phonemic segmentation skill using interactive whiteboard, and the control group, they have activities in phonemic segmentation skill using traditional chalkboard. Okay, both had post-test after the activities done, the treatment intervention done. Okay, here is the findings for the first one. What are the difference in the word recognition test score between students who are taught with the phonemic segmentation skill using interactive whiteboard and those who are taught with a traditional teaching method? Okay, you can notice here. Okay, the result shows the difference is significant, which is give high impact for the research, where both have good give a significant result for the findings in research. Okay, here is the result. Okay, this is the pair sample t-test result for pre and post word recognition test of experimental group. Here is experimental group. Okay, done. And next one, pair sample t-test result of pre-test and word recognition test in control group. Okay, done. Okay, next one, what are the difference in the perception of teachers or beginning readers in relation to your use of phonemic segmentation and interactive whiteboard in terms of gender and teaching experience? Okay, this is for the effect of gender and teaching perception towards the use of phonemic segmentation, and here is the teacher's perception towards the use of phonemic segmentation interactive whiteboard in teaching experience. Okay, you can notice the result here. Okay, I move on to next one. Okay, here is what are the perception towards the use of phonemic segmentation skill in improving word recognition among beginning readers, and what are the teachers' perception towards the use of interactive whiteboard in improving word recognition among beginning readers? Okay, here it is. Both shows no significant result. It means overall teachers agree have positive perception in integration of phonemic segmentation skill via interactive whiteboard. Okay, here is it, need analysis report, and here is research implication. First one is about theoretical and in term of pedagogical. Okay, first one, contribution to knowledge in term of phonological awareness can be taught and learned by beginning readers in interactive media, and language instruction more beneficial and appealing for the reading ability. Okay, when come to pedagogical, it provide an alternative tool other than the books and like radio, usage of radio. It's an provide an alternative tool. Okay, and it can ability for modified teaching strategy more to integrative technology. And number three, provide an insight for curriculum developers, such as they can insert this kind of methods in textbooks later on in future, or there can provide some terms or media supports to learn in classroom. Okay, and overall the conclusion is the explicit phonemic segmentation instruction is of paramount importance of this development. The result of questionnaire showed that teachers have overall positive perception towards phonemic segmentation skill and the use of interactive whiteboard, and it's contributed to the growing body knowledge in the field of phonological, which is phonemic segmentation, and technology, which is interactive whiteboard. And last one, students who were exposed to interactive whiteboard experience better conceptual change compared to those who exposed to traditional method. And that's all from me, and really thanks for Kaizen Renovation, and thanks for listening to me. Thank you.